Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and hopefully on one of the pages we can find the Do Not Disturb toggle. Or not. So I'm gonna click on the pencil icon and hopefully find it. There we go, on the toggles that are actually turned off. So all you need to do is hold it and drag it over. Put it right at the top, there we go. And then when we go back, we can now locate it here. So once you have it added, you can hold it again, or hold this icon, and this will take you to the settings for the Do Not Disturb mode. And in here, go through the settings, customize them to your liking. Once you have done so, you can then quickly toggle it on by simply pressing on the toggle whenever you need it. Now keep in mind, when enabling it manually, because we also have a schedule option, you also will probably want to remember about turning it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. And most likely that is not something that you want. And to turn it off, again, just tap on a toggle and that's it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.